Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Crochet Book is probably one of the most helpful resources for beginners to learn this relaxing and rewarding craft. It provides step-by-step instructions, clear diagrams, and various patterns to practice, allowing you to create beautiful items while mastering fundamental crochet techniques, from basic stitches to more complex ones, and building confidence in your abilities with each project. Number 5. Crochet Guide for Beginners. Ready to learn a fun and relaxing craft? This guide will teach you everything you need to know to get started with crochet. First, you will need some basic supplies. We'll show you what you need and how to choose the right materials for your projects. Learn the fundamental stitches, the slip knot, chain stitch, single crochet, and double crochet. Mastering these is key to any crochet project. It's time to put your new skills to the test. We'll guide you through making easy projects to build your confidence and skills. Once you've mastered the basics, we'll explore more advanced stitches and techniques. The possibilities are endless. Learn how to weave in your ends and add finishing touches to your creations, making them look professional. With practice and patience, you'll be creating beautiful crochet pieces in no time. Enjoy the process and have fun. What we like. This book is a comprehensive guide perfect for those taking their first steps in crochet. It provides a thorough foundation, ensuring you master the basics confidently. If you're looking for a structured learning experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great pictures, easy step-by-step instructions, variety of stitches, multiple patterns, explanation of yarns and needles, and breakdown of terminology. I like the easy instructions on following how to crochet. I especially love the colorful pictures, which was easy to see and follow. This book was easy to understand. I learned how to crochet about 30+ years ago, and this book was great as it gave step-by-step instructions. Number 4. Crochet Cute Critters. Get ready to crochet the cutest critters. This book is packed with 26 easy patterns to make your own adorable amigurumi friends. With clear instructions and charming designs, it's perfect for beginners and experienced crocheters alike. Each pattern is designed for a fun and rewarding experience. Discover a delightful variety of animals, from playful cats and dogs to majestic dragons and fantastical creatures. Let your imagination run wild. These patterns are designed to be easy to follow, even if you're new to amigurumi. You'll be creating adorable creatures in no time. Each pattern offers a unique and charming design, ensuring that your creations are one of a kind. They make wonderful gifts or delightful additions to your own collection. It's time to unleash your creativity and start crocheting. This book provides everything you need to create a menagerie of adorable amigurumi animals. What we like. If you love adorable creatures and want to create them yourself, this book is for you. It features a collection of charming designs that are surprisingly simple to make. It's ideal if you enjoy quick projects and want to see results fast. What people say. This book is how I learned to crochet. Easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Nice variety of cute plushies. This book has every instruction you need to make and assemble an alphabet of animals. Each one takes less than one skein of yarn. They are fun to make and turn out really cute. This is a good book for beginner crocheters. She provides cute patterns and fairly clear instructions. Number 3. Crochet for Beginners. Learn the basics of crochet with this easy-to-follow guide. It's perfect for absolute beginners. This book includes a comprehensive stitch dictionary with clear, step-by-step illustrations. You'll master the fundamentals in no time. Each stitch is explained with detailed illustrations, making it simple to learn and practice. No prior experience is necessary. Once you've learned the basics, you can start creating. This book includes 10 fun and easy projects to build your confidence. This book will take you from a complete beginner to someone who can confidently create beautiful crochet items. Start your crochet journey today. Grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. This book makes learning to crochet fun and accessible. What we like. This book is your go-to reference for crochet stitches. The clear illustrations and step-by-step instructions make learning a breeze. If you like visual learning and want to build your stitch repertoire, this is the book for you. What people say. Plain, easy to read and understand illustrations help a lot. It does a great job explaining all of the crochet stitches, step by step, and also all the different styles and patterns. Even if you have crocheted for a while, but would like to learn some new patterns, this is the book to get. It does fantastic good explaining things, with step-by-step pictures. Like that the book came with all the stitches that are used in all projects and the patterns are easy to follow. Number 2. Hugo Turtle Crochet Kit. It includes a downloadable PDF crochet pattern and a 28-page beginner's guide. This guide is packed with photos, instructions, and tips for both right and left-handed crafters. You can access it anywhere. Learn with our easy, detailed, and immersive 2+ hour video tutorial. It covers the entire process with clear narration and chapter markers for easy navigation. Speed controls are available too. This kit has everything you need to get started: an ergonomic crochet hook, beginner-friendly yarn, stitch markers, safety eyes, a blunt needle, stuffing, and both the PDFs and video instructions are included. It even comes in a handy metal tin. You'll learn essential techniques like the magic ring, chain stitch, increasing, decreasing, sewing, and stuffing. It might look intricate, but it's designed to be easy and fun for beginners. It's perfect for those who love plushies and crafts. Anyone with good motor skills, patience, and attention to detail can enjoy this kit. It's ideal for kids 14+ and adults. This crochet kit makes a fantastic gift for anyone who enjoys hands-on activities. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? Everything you need to start crocheting is included in this kit. The video tutorial makes learning fun and easy to follow. If you prefer a hands-on approach and like the convenience of having all materials ready, this kit is perfect for you. What people say? The kit is great, all packaged in a tin that's useful during and after the project. The yarn is easy, and there is extra of all the colors in case you mess up. The video instructions are helpful and they also have extra info beyond just the kit. Very cute pattern. I love to have the tin that I can reuse instead of a plastic bag that will just pollute the earth. The yarn is good quality and there is a full instructional video of the entire piece, not just snippets. The instructional video is easy to understand and follow along without being excruciatingly slow as some beginner videos. I have to say that I was able to easily form the magic ring every single time needed by following these instructions in the video, and I usually struggle with this as a relative beginner. The yarn is perfect for beginners and you get everything you need except for a tape measure. You get a nice amount of extra thread, so I recommend being a bit more generous with the length of the tails on the parts to be connected. Number 1. Crochet Guidebook for Beginners. Ready to learn a fun and relaxing craft? This guidebook will teach you everything you need to know to get started. Let's gather your supplies. You'll need yarn, a crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. It's that simple to begin. We'll cover the essential stitches: the slip knot, chain stitch, single crochet, and double crochet. These are your building blocks for more complex projects. It's time to put your new skills to the test. Follow along as we create a cozy scarf, step by step. You'll be amazed at what you can make. Once you've mastered the basics, we'll explore more advanced techniques, opening up a world of creative possibilities. The sky's the limit. Learn how to weave in your ends and add those perfect finishing touches. Then, get inspired by our project ideas for your next creation. What we like? This guidebook offers a complete, step-by-step approach to learning crochet. It's designed to take you from beginner to confident crocheter. If you prefer a detailed, structured learning path, this is the ideal choice. What people say? It's very well laid out and the detailed instructions are super easy to follow. This is a great tool for those learning. The photos are good and the instructions are detailed and descriptive. Explains the steps and have good photos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.